Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? And welcome to Track 65. This is an immense course. So we brought into the driving seat today Aaron Smith in his VW Passat BTCC, and we are looking good. Although I've just realised on the test qualifying lap I've lost the spoiler somewhere. We'll find that on the way around. Let's drive into an R2 corner, round, tight, through the lane change, staying in lane, Chicago corner, kicks it out there, up to Gambon, up onto the high rise, the flyover, and into the surprise swirly whirly. 3 layers of swirl action, look at that. Let's get round here, take a look from this side as he goes up towards Gambon, starts his ascent along the long hot bridge, gets around there, some great movement there, look at that Albert. Come on then, round the R2 corner, tight, 90-degree turn there, onto the high flyover, and that's it, back in the swirly whirly. Let's check it out, look at that. He is coming out of there on fire into the R2, round the R2, into the kick out. We must see if we can get some drift on there on the next lap. How about that? Let's do this. Awesome. So I got carried away there, I wasn't following the car. Oh, too much. Flies into there. Flies out of there. Oh, he's had a crash. Let's get him back on the track. Back in the game. Here we go. Racing on. I'll be quiet for a minute. Concentrate on the car. I don't want to spin him out again. Comes flying out of there. Bentley Bend. It's hiding under the bridge. Really fast. Loving this angle on Gambon. And follow him as he goes this way into the swirl action. We can see him coming out into some kick out there, some spin. Let's make this our last lap, track fans. What do you think, Albert? Great car, easy to drive, bit spinny. Might get some new tyres for him, bring him round to pole. There you go. Cheers, Albert. Enjoy, track fans. See you soon.